In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook profile private to non-friends. You probably want to make your Facebook profile private, especially to strangers. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, continue to tap on settings. This will drop you onto an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Continue to scroll down until you locate audience and visibility. Under audience and visibility, you see an option how people can find and contact you. Continue to tap on it. In order for you to hide your Facebook profile, all you have to do is to make sure that you follow these settings. So with who can send you friend request, make sure you select on friends, and with also who can see your friends list, make sure it's selected on only me. And with regard to who can look up using email address you provided, make sure it's only me. As well as who can look up using your phone number you provided, make sure it's toggled on. And with the subsequent ones, proceed to toggle this off, which is a feedback to do you want search engine outside Facebook to link to your profile, and as well as allow your profile to be recommended to people looking at similar profiles. And when you follow all these settings, your Facebook profile has now been hidden. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.